Okay, everybody, here's our outline for Chapter 8, which is going over area. Within each section, I have some information and resources. So here you can see there's a PDF and a video that goes along with talking about area of these figures. And then here's your assignments for that unit. IXLs, we're going to 70 for our score. And here's a download of a worksheet. So if you click on these links, it'll take you to this stuff. And that's the format for the rest of it. Here's a video that goes over regular polygons, and then here's a worksheet that goes along with it. So all of our resources and the assignments are all in one location. Our goal is to work our way through this and to be able to take the test over area next Tuesday, March 31st. If we need to schedule any Zoom meetings to be able to answer questions, go over things, just email me and we can set something up and we'll go through things that way. I will be posting assignments into PowerSchool so you can see what all needs to be done there. If I post a score and you finish it after, just shoot me a quick email to make sure I get those taken care of. That's the plan, and good luck. Hope all is well.